story. Is that so? Let him talk, Angie. Oh, he's just telling me a huge... Oh, it must have been a great dream. What else happened? Yeah, what? Is that right? Is that right? I didn't know. Oh, that sounds like a wonderful dream. Yeah? Do you remember? Yeah, do you remember yesterday? Uh-huh. We went... Is that so? You really? I didn't realize that. Oh, I just love it. I'm so glad you're telling me this. Is that right? Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, I know. That sounds so interesting. I wish I knew what you were telling me. It sounds like a great story.
My friend lick at me and bite me.
Your friends bite you.
No,
what else happened? Booty happened, yeah. What else happened? I know once you see this camera, you're going to get camera shy. He just loves the camera. Woo!